Hi there, Ashley from Numisma here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up and use the automated payroll within Numisma. So right now you can see I'm on the payroll dashboard, and my type is currently manual. So in order to enable automatic payroll, you have to go into Edit Company, and then when you're in Edit Company, you can select Payroll Details, go to Payroll Settings, and then here you have this option for automatic payroll. So it's currently disabled, but if you select that, it comes up with a pop-up and it says, by enabling this, your payroll will automatically be filed with HMRC and payslips will be sent to the employer or employees. So you can select continue. And then how should the payslips be sent? So you can select either to email them to the main contact, to the employees themselves, via the portal, or don't send them. So I'm going to select via the portal, and there is another video as well that shows you exactly how to set up an employee payroll portal, and they can either log in through their computer or they can download the mobile app and access their payslips through their phone. So shall an employer's summary be emailed to the main contact every time the payroll was ran? Yes. So this would essentially mean that the employer will receive a notification as to how much tax to pay. So I can select continue. There was a warning there that says the company hasn't been set up with an email address, so it won't actually be able to send that summary, but you can add one in. So if I enable that now, and then select save, so that's all set up. Automated payroll is now enabled. So if I go back to the payroll dashboard, and you'll notice that the next payroll period in my company is the 30th of April 2021. So as soon as today's date gets to the 30th of April 2021, that payroll will run. And it will submit the RTI to HMRC. It will send the payslips to the employees, send the employer summary, and it will also post the payroll journal to the bookkeeping module. And go on one step further, if you use the self-assessment, and the automated payroll runs the payroll for any directors, then it will also post the income to the director self-assessment. So to really use the power of this, it's really handy for those director-only limited companies paid up to national insurance threshold. So, but you can also use it for any company that has a list of employees that are all paid a salary. But if you go into an employee profile and select edit, and then come down to pay details on the left menu, you have the ability to enter an annual salary for them. So if I enter 50,000, it works out what the monthly salary is, the weekly, the day, and it doesn't do hourly, but it can if you select the relevant field there. So I can save that. I can also put in a number of hours they work each week and save that. Now that I have entered that, Numisma puts together a pay schedule for this employee. So every single month the payroll runs, it will know how much this employee should be paid. So if I go into the employee profile, you'll see here for April, it's got 4,000. And you can see the entire pay schedule for the whole year. Now, if I wanted to, say, change December because I know they get an annual bonus, I can select edit that. And then I could put in, say, 15,000, save, and then that automated pay schedule will be ready. And as soon as it gets to each one of these dates, it will process it for you automatically. Okay, so that is the automated payroll within Numisma, a very useful feature. It pretty much eliminates the administration time for these simple payrolls down to zero. So if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us on 020-3021-2326 or send us an email to support@numisma.co.uk. And also, can you just like the video because it really does help us in terms of gain more visibility on the YouTube platform. Thank you so much, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye.